So the first thing while creating a brand that you need to understand is how to choose a tagline, colors and typography for it. So we will take them one by one in next few slides, starting with the brand colors. Now, color has a major impact on how a brand is perceived. If you look at this image here, orange basically represents clarity and warmth, whereas if you go to darker shade of orange, it represents friendliness, cheerfulness and the confidence. So what are the brands? Nickelodeon, Fanta, Mozilla, these all brands, they use this color. When we talk about red, so brands like Coke, Ferrari, these all, Kellogg's, these all, so when they want to perceive aggression or boldness, they basically use red. Similarly, if you can see, if you want to represent peace or greenery or nature or health or growth, you basically go for green. So channels like Animal Planet or John Deere Tractors or Tropicana, these all use this colors. So there are few brands that combine different colors to represent various tones or various emotions, like Google, the new logo of Microsoft, or eBay or NBC. So this is how they want to get emotionally perceived by the consumers, and this is what is shown by their brand colors and the tone that they use. Now let's move next to understand typography. Now if we talk about typography here, look at the different fonts used by different companies. Whereas Coke is using the traditional font, Pepsi is going more contemporary. If we talk about Tesla, that talks about innovation and the modernization or the new technologies like solars and all. So they have used a very modern and innovative design. Similar fonts are used by Apple too, right? So fonts also, typography also plays a major role in how your brands are being perceived by your customers. Now let's move next. Now the next thing is taglines. If you talk about taglines, you see different taglines for different companies. Whereas Apple says think different, Coke says open happiness, McDonald's says I'm loving it. So what are these taglines? These all taglines are also very important part of brand identity. So these messages help people to understand what the brand delivers to them when it comes to the value, when it comes to the products or services. So now I think you're pretty much clear with what branding is all about. In the next lectures, we will learn how to create different elements associated with your brand one by one using different tools. Thank you.